With the recent rise in adoption and exponential growth in the last 10 years, everyone wants to learn about cryptocurrency. And in today's video, we're going to be highlighting 5 altcoin projects that I believe you need to know about for this upcoming bull run. And a big thank you to all of today's sponsors. The official links can be found in the description of this video. So if you're ready to learn, we're ready to teach. Let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. So make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with a new video. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please know that everything that I say is not financial advice, and these videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. In full disclosure, we do own some of the cryptocurrencies that I will be speaking about in today's video. And if this video gets 5,000 likes within the first 24 hours, we will do a very special giveaway for our YouTube community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. A bull market is when narrative means everything for cryptocurrency. And according to CryptoRank, crypto AI and artificial intelligence was the #1 dominant narrative for 2023 and now into 2024. And that's why your first coin has to be CUDOS. So what is CUDOS? CUDOS is a decentralized blockchain-based network that provides access to sustainability and highly scalable distribution of cloud computing resources for Web3 narratives and enterprises requiring GPU optimization and general computing virtual machines to power their dApps and AI workloads. Now, CUDOS has also previously built the UK's largest data center and has over 20 plus years of experience. In fact, the CUDOS blockchain was launched in 2022 after years of focused development aimed at bridging the gap between blockchain and cloud technology. And as a proof of stake layer 1 built on the Cosmos ecosystem, CUDOS's goal is to become the default computational layer for all major chains, while also providing a low-cost fast transaction network for dApps built directly on the CUDOS blockchain. Now, their network is also 100% carbon neutral and utilizes the Tendermint and IBC protocols for governance and interoperability. They also offer a wide amount of use cases, including digital twinning, the Metaverse, the tokenization of real-world assets, and Web3 node infrastructure. But that's not all. CUDOS offers high-performance GPU cloud, where you're able to rent and reserve high-performance cloud GPUs on demand and at scale for AI, machine learning, and rendering, and much more. And March was a really big month for CUDOS. In fact, they had a total of 21% plus in total VBMs deployed, 267 monthly VMs deployed, 982 total users on CUDOS Intercloud, 12,000 plus in monthly revenue earned, 4,771% in monthly revenue increase, 5,000 highest weekly revenue, 215% for total GPU hours consumed, and 91,000 in total GPU hours consumed as well. So now let me have the team introduce you to their mission and what this project is really truly all about at its core.
CUDOS was founded in 2017 with a vision of a decentralized, sustainable, and connected world where no computing is wasted. Our mission is to empower people and organizations to earn and save through sustainable computing by utilizing spare capacity. We are democratizing the cloud computing market, dominated by a handful of influential players. Currently, over 500,000 users across 145 countries are part of our ecosystem. Social responsibility and environmental care are part of our DNA, and we have partnered with Climate Trade to become a carbon neutral blockchain. We're a team of engineers, entrepreneurs, data scientists, and strategists inspired by sustainability. We will create a decentralized, sustainable, and connected world. Come join us at kudos.org.
Now, one of the things that's really impressed me about this project is the team itself. The CEO, Matt Hawkins, is a tech entrepreneur building and founding C4L in 2000, which was one of the fastest growing ISPs in the UK and winner of many fast growing awards, including Time Tech Track 100, Deloitte UK Top 50, Deloitte EMEA Fast 500, and many more. And another thing to know about CUDOS is their backers and their partners, and these have been some of the best that I've seen in an AI project since I've been learning and researching all about crypto. In fact, they have partnered with NVIDIA, AMD, Fetch, Archway, Myria, and many others. This crypto is also on some of the most popular exchanges in the world today. And it's been listed on Osmos, Crypto.com, Gate.io, KuCoin, Binance US, MEXC, and even decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. So with CUDOS hitting a major narrative right now at the time of this recording, this is why I believe this is a project that you must know about right now. Your second crypto that you have to know about that's very time sensitive is Storyfire and their Blaze token. Now we recently made a full dedicated review about Storyfire, but in case you're new to this project, let me share with you briefly what it is.
Storyfire fueled by the Blaze token, where your gaming co-ops with social. Sign up now to begin your journey and earn your first few Blaze. What is the Blaze token and how do you use it? It's a shareable store of value, from tipping, promoting, reacting to unlocking exclusive content. Blaze empowers your every interaction. Watch as every like, comment, and share transforms into Blaze, enriching your Storyfire experience. Dive into a world where your creativity and engagement bring endless rewards. Storyfire Oasis, our gaming hub, a place where your Blaze grows with every adventure and is seamlessly usable across the entire ecosystem. Set your world ablaze with endless possibilities. Join Storyfire today.
Now, as you know, in cryptocurrency, things are very time sensitive, and the guaranteed allocation rounds are wrapping up. However, the first come, first serve rounds are going to be starting tomorrow over on AI TechPad. And for more details, make sure to head on over to their website so you understand exactly how to participate and how all of this is going to work. At this point, you should have already registered and signed in, and you can see here that first come, first serve round is going to happen at 7 a.m. UTC, and then 8 a.m. UTC will be the second round. And in the full dedicated review, we shared with you how to participate with Decubate, which we are ambassadors with, and if you did sign up and participate and you did receive an allocation, you would have needed to contribute, and now the next steps is to wait for Storyfire to launch, which is going to be happening very soon. So for more time-sensitive updates about the listing and the launch, make sure to follow them over on their X account, as things are going to be moving very quickly for this project. Now your third crypto coin is one called Ridotto, and we have some really big news. You see, their sports betting is now live, and this is where you're able to place your bets on sports and your teams today. And because the Olympics are coming to Paris here in just a few months, Ridotto is doing an incredible offer right now for those who qualify. Now, to qualify, all you need to do is place a $10 bet exclusively on arcade slots and coin flip games at Ridotto.io. And by doing so, you can win a share of up to $10,000. Now, if you bet max on your favorite leagues, sports and esports, this is where you could potentially win this VIP trip. Now, this will end on the 19th of May, so you still have some time to play with Ridotto. And now their site is live. So here you can see on the left-hand side the sports tab, and this is where all the different sports games up at the top are allowing you to place and make bets. Now what's really cool is if you click on my bets here, this is where you can see all of the bets that you've made as well, and then all of the different sports. So you have basketball, you have tennis, you have cricket, you have MMA, boxing, even ice hockey. And this is where you can see all of the different games in real time. You also can click on the left-hand side here for staking, farming, the leaderboard, as well as their white paper, and to learn even more about this project. But at the heart is their casino. And again, this is where you can find out even more details about their trip to Paris. And this is exactly how the prizes will be distributed. Again, first place is going to win that Paris Olympics trip. Second place is going to win $2,500. Third place, $1,500. Fourth and fifth will be $750 each, and 6 through 10 will win $2,000. So again, this is how it looks like the $10,000 is going to be distributed to all of those who participate. And again, this just got started. So from April 19th to May 19th, engage with the Ridotto platform for a chance to win VIP trips to Paris during the Olympics. And again, a minimum bet of $10 on Ridotto sports and esports events is going to help you potentially win one of the prizes. Now, in order to play some of these casino games, you will need to have the Ridotto token. You can see that the Ridotto token is what you're going to need to use in order to play these games. And again, if you want to buy the Ridotto token, you can simply do so today on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and CoinStore. So if you plan on playing and you're going to play anyways, good luck to each and every one of you potentially to win the prizes, and we'll leave all the official links and details for you down below. below. Now, our fourth crypto project that you must know about is one called Exverse. Now, Exverse is an AI-powered first-person shooter built on Unreal Engine 5, incubated by Storyfire and KuCoin Labs, and is also powered by Immutable X. This project has also been built by a studio that worked on AAA game titles such as Apex Legends and Call of Duty. They also already have an army of over 100,000 signups for their groundbreaking 80K prize tournament. And one of the main highlights of their gameplay behind Exverse is that it is built on Unreal Engine 5, which uses the same framework such as Lyria. This makes it a standout amongst competitors in the market today. Exverse is also moving away from play-to-win narrative that plagues the Web3 space and is focused on pure skill-based games. This brings gaming back to its roots in Web3, where skill is rewarded instead of how much you spend to get ahead of the competition. Now, the team at Exverse is also heavily invested into the esports scene and will be using this to leverage their growth into the Web2 adoption. Now, some other really big things to know is that Exverse has raised $3.5 million from notable investors such as Cognate Ventures, Cointelligence, and Moonrock Capital, as well as other top KOLs. Now, their user growth also has been exponential. In January 2024, this began a remarkable 54% increase in average active users compared to in 2023. The average number of users in January increased by 14.2% compared to in December. This stat indicates that there is a growth of interest in GameFi, and Exverse will be definitely a beneficiary of the growth. They also have unique active wallets that are growing. You can see here that weekly active wallets have significantly increased since 2023. And also, GameFi right now is a really hot narrative. You can see other projects have launched in millions of market cap and have produced some very nice results from IDO ROI. And this is why it's so important to learn about these things early. And after artificial intelligence being the most popular crypto narrative in 2023, GameFi is right behind them. Now, according to their tokenomics, there's also a lot of different use cases. They're going to have an internal marketplace where trading will be done only in their exclusive token EXVG. They're also going to have an NFT collection that can be bought with the tokens as well. There will also be in-game mechanisms within season passes, high-end clan functioning, and match staking. Now, with staking, the circulating supply of their token will reduce and the price will get higher as the selling pressure will be lower due to staking. The estimated amount for staking tokens is 32% on listing date. We're also going to have tournaments and a burning mechanism that is expected that 2 million tokens will be burned during the Catalyst event of over 8 million tokens in circulation on TGE. The team also has an 18-month vesting cliff and 24-month vesting cliff, showing their commitment to the project in the long term. Advisors as well as seed investors also have very long cliffs, meaning that there will not be a lot of tokens initially in circulation. This team has also made some of the biggest and best partnerships in the game today, among them being Mert Circle, GameSwift, Gameit, Portal, Immutable, BNB Chain, and has already gained access of over 250,000 players. Exverse will also launch on Epic Games and be one of the few Web3 games in Epic Games. Now, this token is now live on the marketplace on Bybit and many other exchanges, so make sure to follow them over on their X account for more details on how to buy, sell, and trade this asset. Now, the fifth crypto project that you have to know about is one called Omnia Protocol. Now, at the time of this recording, this project is going to be incubated by ChainGPT, we were also an ambassador with. And you can see here even more details about Omnia Protocol. So, what is Omnia Protocol? Omnia Protocol is an RPC provider that prioritizes deep in and aggregation with the goal to offer a unified interface for blockchain access, combined decentralization with advanced functionality. Through the use of MEV strategies, they enable their users' B2C platforms in Web3, including wallets, apps, DEXs to benefit from infrastructure monetization. And here are some of their key products. They're going to have a robust RPC infrastructure. This is going to provide the foundation for blockchain interactions with added features for security, compliance, and more. They will also have decentralized node incentivization. This encourages community members to run nodes, strengthening the network and ensuring decentralization. They're also going to have MEV infrastructure monetization, leveraging MEV strategies to capture value and redistribute it to its users. They'll also have staking nodes. This is going to offer staking opportunities to token holders to participate and earn rewards. Now, the problem that Omnia tackles is the fragmentation of RPC services and various powerful SDKs, such as retriable transactions, account abstraction, MEV, and the centralized infrastructure which offers these functionalities. Now, a Web3 user is stuck with the decision of choosing either a decentralized player or poor functionality functionality from their RPC provider. Omnia, by incentivizing the community and the whole Web3 space by operating nodes, they cluster these resources in decentralized pool of resources with a single interface standardized by the network itself. I also want to highlight some major milestones and some key highlights. They had a minimum viable product that was already ready in December of 2021, and they also discovered a MetaMask vulnerability in early 2022. They closed their seed funding in 2022 as well, and launched educational sessions both one-on-one and in many formats. Now, Omnia was selected twice as the RegTech 100 company in 2022 and 2023, alongside companies like Elliptic and CoinFirm. They've also partnered with Chain Analysis to provide compliance solutions to centralized exchanges and fiat on-ramps. They've also secured over $300,000 in cloud credits. They've also formed partnerships with world-class cloud providers like Microsoft, AWS, and Google to deliver high availability services and adopt a multi-chain approach. Also been invited as speakers and sponsored various hackathons and conferences, including BlockHack, Bitcoin Bay, ETH Toronto, The Futurists in Canada, Blockchain Rio, Crypto Crime UK, Borgata DevCon, ETH Bogata, and LPA, ALM Tech Forum 2023, and many others. Now, they've also been able to scale to over 10 million users since their MVP, passing 3 billion in monthly in transactional volume. They've also experienced significant revenue growth with a recent 40% month-over-month increase in MRR. Now, currently, they have 2.8 million in monthly active users, as well as having best-in-class performance and latency for RPC endpoints. Now, Omnia also has a very clear but yet ambitious roadmap here in 2024. They plan on offering staking, providing use cases tailored to node, expanding their network, introducing multi-chain mempools, RPC aggregator and balancer, 2FA, and many others, as well as their token launch and exchange listing, liquidity incentives, and much more. Now, another thing that really impressed me about Omnia is their team, which is fully doxed, with their founders being Christian, who is a PhD in cryptography and director of research product security solutions and architecture, as well as Alexandru, who is a blockchain patent holder, security expert, and blockchain architect. Omnia has some serious partners and investors such as Uniswap, Near Protocol, Subwallet, and many others here, as you can see, and their partners for infrastructure like AWS and RPC providers are some of the biggest in the game today. The really cool thing about their tokenomics is that first, 70% of the revenue will go back to its stakers, and from all the revenues, they just collect 30% to the treasury and the rest goes back in staking rewards. They also have untrusted RPC entities needing to stake, staking mechanisms, and also Omnia clients pay in Omnia tokens, which makes Omnia even more sustainable. They also have exclusive features and access first functionality and fee reduction for token holders. You can see here of the fees that go from 10, 15 to 25%, depending upon how many more tokens are being held. So if you would like to participate, all you need to do is head on over to ChainGPT Pad to learn even more about this exciting project. And as a bonus 6 coin here, I had to share with you Lightlink that is now on the market. We've been doing multiple videos about Lightlink, which is a gasless blockchain network for enterprises, dApps, and millions of users. Lightlink is an Ethereum layer 2 blockchain that lets dApps and enterprises offers users instant gasless transactions. So just wanted to say congratulations to the team for launching this project, and you can see here that they have strategic partnerships in Animoca Bands, Rarible, Celestia, and many others, making this a very solid project that I believe you have to know about and continue to keep learning with me here today. They also have over 131,000 followers over on their X account and have recently launched on Bybit, KuCoin, and Gate.io. For more information, make sure to check out their official accounts. Everything again will be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching today's video. We can't wait to see you in the next one. Stay tuned.